Thank you very much, Mr. Thulasizwe. Warm welcome to members of the media. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for gracing us on this occasion. We are here as the family of Zululand District to launch a very exciting tournament, which we will explain in detail as we go along. With us are the mayors of the various towns within Zululand, as they have been introduced. The mayor of ohola, the mayor of ngoba, the mayor of Ulundi, the mayor of abakuhlosile, because as the Zululand family, we believe that the tournament we are about to launch today will go a long way in developing and boosting the economy of Zululand. We are here today to launch the Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup, which is a football tournament that celebrates and honors the legacy of our leader, the South African statesman and global icon, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, for the work he has done in developing the communities around KwaZulu-Natal and the work he has done in developing democracy in South Africa. This tournament was first staged in 2017 and was the brainchild of AmaZulu Football Club. They wanted to use soccer to honor the legacy of our leader. And this year, we again are very proud to host this tournament for the third time for the 2022 edition. This year, again, we unveiled 3 PSL teams that will participate in this competition. AmaZulu Football Club, who are here, let's give them a round of applause. AmaZulu. Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club, give them a round of applause. The new kids on the block in the PSL, Richards Bay FC, let's give them a round of applause. And the Zululand 11 team, let's give them a round of applause. The Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup not only honors the legacy of this great leader, but it also achieves other objectives which we would like to briefly highlight today. One, through this tournament, we hope to showcase local talent. This tournament will be held on the 23rd of July this year in Ulundi, and there will be scouts from all these PSL teams to look at the local talent of Zululand. That is why we have put together a Zululand 11, which is the best of the best of our youth playing in football in Zululand, which will also participate as the 4th team on that day. Therefore, the main aim of this tournament, as we have Amakosi here, we have members of the executive committee here, we have our municipal manager and all senior officials here, because we want to use this tournament to expose rural football and expose the raw talent that we have in Zululand and give them a platform to showcase their talent. Secondly, what we hope to achieve through this tournament is to boost the local economy. AmaZulu Football Club, for the duration of the time they are there, they will put up camp in Ngoba. Therefore, on the Friday before the actual tournament, They will be running coaching clinics in Ngoma and participating in a local program to promote the heritage and diversity of Ngoma. Therefore, this tournament is a huge boost to all the towns around Zululand. All your accommodation establishments become fully booked. All our informal traders who showcase their handcraft and their original Zulu regalia, they get an opportunity to sell on match day at the stadium. Even the local caterers get a chance to sell the local cuisine, because we have tourists who will be coming from all over the country to watch the beautiful game of football on that weekend. Therefore, this tournament goes a long way in boosting the economy of all the towns within Zululand, particularly Ulundi. Finally, through this tournament, we hope to promote the Zululand tourism. And through this tournament, we will be kick-starting all our other sporting activities for the year. In October, we will remember that just a few weeks ago, we laid to rest the professional boxer, Mnz Thulasizwe Buthelezi, who passed away while he was in the ring just here in Durban. We laid him to rest. He is from Zululand. In October, we will be hosting the Mnz boxing tournament in EThekwini. As the Zululand team, we will be in ohola to host the local Sanga Games, looking at all the sporting codes. Therefore, we will use the Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Cup to kickstart all the sporting activities that we hope to do and host as Zululand throughout the year. Later in the program, I hope the program director will give me an opportunity so that we go and outline on the actual day which team will start, at which time, who will play against who. But we do expect our people to come out in numbers to support this great tournament, to ensure that the people who visit Zululand experience the true Zulu hospitality, and that at the end of the day we all enjoy a great spectacle of football. Football has the power to unite. Football has the power